Hello and welcome. Today we have Devashri Bhupati with us. She cleared her NPCIL in 2018 in HR. Devashri, first of all, congratulations. And how do you feel about such an achievement?
Yeah, I'm really happy about the clearing written test in NPCL. That is one of the important organizations under atomic energy in the central government. I'm little disappointed with the results of interview. Though I have appeared in that, I'm still in the waiting list. Yeah, hope I would have been very happy if I cleared out and got a post. But still, it has been a far-fetched journey. I'm happy with that achievement. Still, I'll strive hard to become another HR in some other organization. But it's a stepping stone to my journey.
Yes,
Surely, I'll do succeed in the next exam.
definitely. We
Thank you.
wish you best for the same also. Devashri, we would like to know a little bit more about you. Where are you from, about your education
Yeah,
status, and what inspired you to appear for the paper?
yeah. Basically, I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm from Kalpakam, born and bottom, and my schooling, everyone went into Atomic Energy School in Kalpakam itself. So, being from a nuclear family, my father and my mother and my sister. So, we are only two daughters in my family. So, the aspirations has always been the high with my family because they were always been supportive of our girls. They want us to be striving hard to become a professional in a ground, whereas my father and mother were teachers, so they wanted to become something more than that. So I wanted to be in professional degrees associated with. So I have completed my engineering with electronics and communication, and I have opted for a management with HR and marketing. So after succeeding in that, I took a break for 1 year. Then afterwards, I started preparing for various examinations, including my management exam. So it's how it started. My sister is currently a doctor in a government organization. Also, inspired to me to take up a government organization to work with. That's it. Yeah, I'm married now, and my husband is working in an MNC in Chennai. So I'm pretty settled in near Kalpakam, Chengalpet. Yeah, I have a daughter.
Okay. Devashri, I would say, it's still, the story seems very inspirational and motivating in itself, your parents encouraging you and everything, and we're so glad that, a talent like you could come up. Devashri, there's one more question I would like to ask about how did you feel a change in the number of opportunities after you cleared the paper as compared to before?
Yeah, actually, at the first, I have already joined HDFC Bank in 2015. Actually, I joined with HDFC. So I was working as an assistant manager due to my cred in marketing. So I've already been in banking association, but still there was a hope in me to become a HR. So that pushed me into resigning into that organization. Though I was being very good in that organization, due to circumstances, I was newly married. So all this household things come up, right? So I wanted to quit and go in HR. So I started with that planning and I quit HDFC in the year 2016 and I started preparing for organization in HR. So in the due course, it happened. I came across the advertisement in 2017. It came back very late, actually, in December, and due to many reasons, the organizations came up with different dates, and at last it came off 2018. The exam was postponed again and again, so it came on 2018 September. It was really an unbelievable decision because we were expecting in mid Jan the exam. So after almost 7 months, it came down. So the preparation was little stagnant there. So I was preparing continuously for last 2 months of from December to February. But as the notification still pushed on, so I went on with some other things. Yeah, you know that household things, right?
Yeah.
So after it's like September, we got into the notification. Again, I got about 15 to 20 days for preparation, honestly. So I took up the book sets from Human Peritus. It helps them greatly. It got to help them. or else I would not have cleared the paper. Seriously, within short time, within 20 days, it was a great fit, I think so. Being almost 5 years out of touch in a HR subject, because 2012 I have passed out.
Yes.
So it's been about 6 years I have touched my books of HR. I'm only practicing my numerical ability and all those things. What and all we will be preparing for normal paper like banking exams. Everything will be a ground rule for numerical ability, English, and another reasoning. So I've been preparing continuously only for that paper, not for my own paper. So in that case, it was a great boon from Human Reuters for those books. So I used them thoroughly. How far I can do it in 20 days, and I have already gained my knowledge in HR. I was always been passionate about HR, so I would like to extend that thank you and grateful to you because of those book sets. Yeah, I have cleared it. I'm little disappointed because of the score, but still I cleared within that small duration of preparation.
Yes.
So 56 point something I have done. Yeah, I was little okay, but still I have cleared it. I didn't expect after within 2 months I got the result. I got result in November last. So I was elated because I didn't expect that. Though I did fully 20 days preparation, but still I didn't expect that to clear. Within a short time, the preparation was not enough, I thought.
Yes.
But still I cleared it and went on for my interviews. Interviews like what happened now that Corona came. Corona came and it postponed my schedule. My first scheduled interview was on 28th 2020 March 17, March 28 actually.
Yes.
Due to Corona, I have already booked my flight tickets. For my father and mother. My husband was held up in another meeting with her company, so he could not able to accompany me. So my parents and my daughter was about to board the flight. So we got all the flight tickets. Every preparation was done, and my interview preparation was going good. Almost 1.5 months, I've been preparing for that rigorously. But suddenly the Corona stuck again.
Yeah.
So my thing was again almost I have completed my interview preparation. Then the news came on 17th March 2020 that my interview has been postponed due to Corona. Again, they have not given a definite date for us because they'll never know what the outbreak will cause. So it went on for another year. So at last, I got my notification in December for the interview. December 2020 about the interview that is going to happen in Jan 13th. Jan 13th is like Bogi. On the day of Bogi, before the eve of Makar Sankranti.
Okay.
So it happened like that. So yeah, again the preparation in full swing. I started and going around the things, case studies and books. Again, we have to prepare. You know how difficult is the legal aspects of business, and all the HR laws and labor laws are very difficult. You can't easily get at the labor codes that easily. Because that was it was a hell lot of preparation to start again. Because sometimes we forget about the labor laws. We'll know only the labor things, but we'll not know the sections. We may easily express how the was again a rigorous preparation, and I have done it. And on 13th, I prepared. I attended along with some 8. Actually, that was I opted under OBC. Okay, so it was 149 members were being the test. So why I was one among them throughout India. Yeah. So 14 out of 49 were in OBC, and out of 49 I was one among them. Totally, it was 149 for 29 posts. You will know the ratio. 29 into 5, it goes for 145, right? So they have selected almost 150. So 150 have been passed out of written exam, and they come up for interview exams. So almost 50 people came for the interview.
Okay.
For 9 posts under OBC, and overall posts will be 29. So I went on for that, and luckily Kalpakam is my native place. I have already mentioned.
Yeah.
The autonomic power station has been scattered all around the India, and Kalpakkam is one of the institution that also has inspired to get into the atomic society actually. So it all went off, and the interview was pretty good. All the labor laws all came into the picture there, and they asked me on some general questions as well. Who are the women personalities in the today's society? What they have achieved? This was my final question actually. So throughout the rigorous interview, it was seriously I was rigged upon all the HR aspects. There are not even a single question they leave it. So it was almost 35 to 45 minutes I was rigged on. I think it was a difficult interview.
Well, the time period in itself is so long.
So even my bank.
Yes.
Yeah. Even my banking interview was not that high. It was only half an hour. That I remembered my banking experience. My banking interview was with my channel head. Actually, it was territory head, I think. Yeah, with the territory head. That time it was half an hour. That was the longest interview I have given in those days. So after that, this is the longest one, 45 minutes approximately.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh my God, I have been triggered so much. Like, when I came out, you won't believe, I was like sweating completely. It was through video conferencing because of COVID problems. We had only video conferencing mode. Or it would have been a person. It was an 8-member panel. Everyone triggered the questions. There are no doubts. Everyone they've been in like rapid fire question. It was.
Yeah.
There will not be any one-word answers, but they'll be rapidly asking questions. I think there was about 15 to 20 questions about it.
Okay. Well,
managed to answer 15 to 16 questions. Yeah, out of 20, I suppose. I did well. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it was good, but still, the results came almost 1 month back. They were selected in 9 members were selected, and I put up in waiting list for that. That was the only disappointed thing.
Yeah. I mean,
or else I'd have been very happy.
The process, the period for you to appear for the paper and then appear for the interview just stretched out too far, I believe.
Yes, very much.
Devashri, there's this one last question that I would like to ask about what I'm sure how you prepared for the paper in just 20 days is like immensely talented, I would say, because it's very difficult to appear for the paper.
My mother is the one who inspired me, actually. My mother is the one.
The inspiration and dedication was there. Is there anything that you would like to tell the aspirations right now?
Yeah, actually, my husband, my mom, my husband's family, my in-laws, they're very supportive. I left them about 1 month and went into my mom's house and studied there, and my mom took care of my baby. She was almost 2.5 years that time, and now she's 3.5. Yeah. So every time I go back there, she patiently took care of my daughter and given her whole support. I didn't even leave a second to go out of the room. I didn't do even a single household chore. All thanks to my mom and dad. Even in the night, I used to wake up. I don't know. It was a very thing. I could not even think about it. Without my mother's parents, my husband's and in-laws, that would have not been achieved. Yeah, they have greatly supported it. Still, I can't believe I have done it in 20 days. And the preparation for the interviews was only 30 days. Yeah, it happened like that. Still, maybe on 10 days to 15 days. Yeah. I would have achieved well, I think so.
Like, I'm very intrigued by the story, to be honest. Like, the story in itself is very different as compared to the ones I've heard. there's inspiration, there's dedication in the story and everything. And you clear the paper. That's the best thing. That shows how dedicated you were towards it, even if the preparation was just for 20 days. I would say thank you again for taking your time out and joining me, sharing your story with us. It's such an inspiration for all of the students who are going to be watching this. I would say again, thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors, Devashri.
Yeah, thank you, Mia Muskan, and thank you, Human Therapists, for the wonderful notes and books. Without them, I have not have achieved, because that was the shortest period I got, and the books greatly helped me. The thing was, they were very detailed, and everything I could ask for. I didn't even Google anything. Even I should say that I did not even Google anything, because there was only short of time. So I only prepared about 70 to 75% for my written test from the book only. There was no source I have talked about. So only that books helped me within those short time. When you are sincere and dedicated with the right amount of books, you can do well even the shortest time. It greatly helps. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Devashri.